love bugs. Okay, so I wanted to just jump in really quickly and let you guys know that the last 2 days are non-existent. I got tied up Thursday and Friday, and I got sick and I got down, and just things weren't just happening the way that I wanted them to, so I don't have any footage for those 2 days. So just kind of FYI, it is cut short. So I don't think I'm gonna do another week in the life anytime soon, just because that was really, it was hard and the editing process was really hard. But that being said, if you guys did enjoy it and you'd like to see more like that, I'm definitely not opposed to doing that again in the future. So just to let you know where I'm at, as you can see, my kitchen is starting to look more and more like a kitchen every day, which is awesome. My living room looks more and more like a living room every day, and I'm waiting on shelves. We have some shelves that we're bringing back from our old house, the house that we lived in before the house that we lived in before this house. So I'm waiting on those shelves, and then once that shelving comes in, we're gonna have a lot more places to put stuff, and we'll get a lot more organized. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on all of that stuff, and yeah, so enjoy the video. Love y'all. Bye. What's up, love bugs? I have got my camera back, and I'm so happy to have it. You have no idea. It has just been, oh, so crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my house, the current state of my house. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram, so I know y'all, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen it all. But yeah, we have got everything just about over here. We have everything out of the old house, but we still have some things in storage that we need to bring over here. But this is what I'm dealing with. I promised you guys when I started this channel that I was going to be completely real with y'all. So this is one of those hashtag be real moments. Absolutely no shame. This is real life for me. This is what I'm dealing with, and this is what my channel is going to be about for probably the next few months as I'm processing through all of this stuff. So I'm going to show y'all. Here we go. This, my darlings, is just a sampling of what we're dealing with. Yeah, this entire room. Lots and lots of stuff to deal with. So that's one portion. We got Puppy Cam. Hi, puppies. Gandalf is really enjoying the new house. He likes the cool tile floor. Frodo, how do you feel about the house? How does Frodo feel? Frodo likes it too. Him needs a haircut though, doesn't he? Okay, so this is kitchen stuff. We have stuff piled up in the kitchen. Stuff on the kitchen table. Boxes there. We have boxes in the living room. We have this pile of stuff here. And we have this pile of stuff here. And we have a child at the computer. Peekaboo! Ooh, nice face. And we have stuff all along here, and we have stuff here. I've tried to create like a little bit of an oasis in the chaos. I'm not sure how well that's going. And then we have mine and Keelan's bedroom. Although I have to tell you guys, I am super, super proud of my bathroom so far. I have started, ignore the dirty clothes on the floor. I have started to try to organize stuff, and I've got in this top drawer my makeup, which is actually going to get purged down this week. Most of this stuff will probably stay. The stuff that's probably going to really get purged through is this stuff in here that I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there that I just don't use. And so if I don't use it, it's gonna be gone because there's absolutely no sense in me keeping stuff that I'm not using. So, you know what I mean? Okay, so as I go through each room, I'm gonna try to just do one room at a time as much as I can. Obviously the storage room is gonna be going back and forth because, you know, it is what it is. But let me show you, now I'm gonna show you what the first goal is. So, here we go. Ooh, dark hallway. And a singing kid. We have a kid singing in here. I don't think she even knows that I'm in here. Hi. Okay, so this is the first goal, is to try to get all of this situated. This table is actually going to go away. I love this table, but we don't have space for it. We just don't. We don't need two tables. We already have one dining room table. We don't need two. So this was my mom and dad's. Actually, they've had this table for as long as I can, at least since I was 6. I think I was 6 when we picked it up. But so this is going to go home with them and go back to them. This and this, I have a home. This has a home that I need to put in it. This is Jacob's busy box for when we're homeschooling and we're doing some read aloud. So this stays in here. This is our current curriculum basket. So this stays in here. This is detergent that needs to go on top of the shelf in there in the laundry room. My keyboard is going to be set up somewhere. I'm thinking probably over here somewhere. This bookshelf is going to move over here. And then it's going to have books on it. So this process, and here's something else I need to figure out here, because I've got this box here. I know right now it's got other junk in it, but this is a yarn box. And that's a yarn box, and neither of them have only yarn in them. They have other stuff in them. And then we have a bunch of wires and things like that. Keelan's going to take care of all that, so I'm going to put that somewhere for him. So this little corner, it's going to be my project. I'm going to start that this afternoon. And yeah, so I'm going to vlog through that if you guys want me to. This is going to become an... Ooh, the AC turned on. It's going to be a afternoon in the life of somebody. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that, y'all. So anyway, okay. I'm going to take care of this and I will be back in a bit and show y'all what I've accomplished. So see you in a bit. Okay. Whew, I don't know how long I worked for. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe 30. I don't know. I wasn't timing it this time. I guess I should have. But I'm going to show you what I did. So, yep, I've got the bookshelf moved over here to its home. The table that was here, taking up all the space, has been moved to the back room. I will show you the back room here in a second. I have 3 empty boxes. Yay me. And this area looks like almost like it's supposed to. We got some more curriculum somewhere that I need to locate, and then this is Emily's busy box. Jacob's busy box is over there on top of the bookshelf. And I got my keyboard set up, which makes my heart happy. I can have music again. I was a little worried. I did not think there was a outlet here, but I don't know why you can't see it like that. But can you see it? Yep. There's one there. So we're plugged in, and we have, yay! So happy. We have music. Oh, look, it's the Jacob. Say hi to the YouTubes.
Hi to the YouTubes.
So, as you can see, I still got work to do. Wow, thanks, Jake, for that awesome, whatever that was. Oh, Gandalf's like, what is that? What you doing? Anyway, as you can see, we still got work to do in here. That is definitely just a tip of the iceberg, but it brings a little bit of calm to get that chaos under control. So yeah, so that is, I think I'm going to just do that for the day, and then the rest of the day just focus on household stuff, which is kind of what I've been doing. I've been taking things a little slow today, trying to just, like I said, take one area at a time, one box at a time, trying to get all that done. Oh, all the wire boxes and things like that that were in here are in Keelan's closet, so he can sort through those at his leisure. Anything that I knew was computer related is come over here. There's things that are not going to be put away, but we are getting a shelf to put on the wall back here. So we're going to have a wall shelf. So we're going to have shelving to put things on. So back here, we'll still probably be a little bit of a hodgepodge mess for a little while. The drums that are over here, we're selling those. So hopefully somebody will come and get those soon. And let's see, this right here is going back to my daddy. This right here, the filing cabinet, I'm not entirely sure where we're gonna put that, but we will find a home for it. And then we've got like boxes and kind of hodgepodge. We got this is my binding machine. This thing, homeschool moms, seriously, especially if you are into downloading free curriculum, that is such a good investment. I've got a basket here that actually goes in my freezer. A box of stuff that I'm not sure what is that. And then Jacob's old car seat, which we're actually, I need to clean it up and I want to gift it to somebody. I don't know who yet. I don't know who's in need. But yeah, local friends, if you know anybody who's in need of a booster seat for a little boy, let me know. Because we got 2 that we need to gift. So, all right. So that is what I've done today. Now I'm going to show you guys the back room. Dum, dum, dum. I'm serious, y'all. This is like a horror movie in here. I'm not even kidding. Check it out. Okay, you ready? You ready? Here it goes. Was that annoying? Sorry. Yeah, so this is the place where things go when they don't have a home. We are getting to the point of being hazardous to one's health now. So it's definitely a fire hazard in here. So the sooner that I'm able to get all this stuff taken care of, the better. So my goal is to get stuff oh, y'all, seriously. Okay, any hoozles. Oh, did we show you? Can I show them your Pepto-Bismol room?
God, no! They would die!
I like her room personally, but
Personally, I hate it. I want to get over it.
You know,
they won't let me do what I want to it.
Anyway, so this actual wall right here, eventually this is where my piano is going to go. My piano is at my mommy and daddy's house. We're going to bring that over here, and it's eventually going to go here. So I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen with my chest. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to end up putting that. So hopefully we'll figure that out sooner rather than later. So we may have to actually do something that we don't necessarily feel comfortable with doing, and that is letting the E-girl over here put her computer in her bedroom. I don't know. Something else too, we have this beautiful fish tank over here that we're going to clean this up, and I'm going to put some fish in. I don't know exactly what kind of fish I want. Definitely freshwater. We're not going saltwater, but I'm not entirely sure what I want. We had cichlids at one time, and those suckers are kind of mean. I don't really want cichlids again. So, and you know, I'm not even sure that I want anything tropical. I don't know. Mollies are fun. Platies are fun. Things like that. But I don't know. I kind of think I want some goldfish because they're cheap. So, I don't know. We'll see what we see. So, all right, guys. That is what I've done today. I think I'm just going to do this like as a weekly thing. I think this is going to be like my weekly vlog. I'm going to do this like a whole week of decluttering and purging and working. What do you think? I think I'm going to do it. Yeah. I'm not even going to ask. I'm doing it. That's what I'm doing. All right. See you guys later. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. So how about a peek inside my crock pot? Oh, look at that yumminess. We are having pulled barbecue chicken with baked beans and corn on the cob. And that is dinner tonight. Super easy, super quick. I mean, literally, this is like 2 ingredients, y'all. Chicken and barbecue sauce. And clearly, this is 1 ingredient. And the corn on the cob is like 2 ingredients. So, you know, it's corn and water. Maybe 3 or 4 if you add salt and butter. Who knows? So yeah, super easy dinner tonight. All right. Yeah, now I gotta clean this up. Now I gotta get back into the actual daily routine. So there we go. I was thinking about doing like a clean with me, but I think I'm gonna hold off on doing that until we get a little more chaos under control. What is, and my cabinet door is open. Who does that? Who leaves their cabinet doors open? I do. Sorry. Okay, love y'all, bye.